Hi, this is Alan from Alpus Group, and we solve any property problem. So if you have any sort of property that you no longer require or that you have a problem with, talk to us and we will tell you how we can transform the value of your property to its optimum. So if you've got any form of retail property or a disused office, or in fact any sort of workshop that is no longer paying its way, then talk to us. We can convert these buildings under permitted development into high quality residential accommodation, helping to solve the UK housing crisis and also creating jobs for people as well. So don't hesitate to give me a call about our system. We've recently branded our system under the acronym Alpus. That's A for property acquisition. We can acquire property under numerous ways. We can joint venture, or we can purchase the property from you. We can lease the property initially and then do a later purchase, or purchase lease option. Any form of transaction, we can work out a win-win ethical solution for any of our partners who we cooperate with. So A is for acquisition, L is for leverage. We've got an expert architect, Louise Suter, on our team, and she will appraise design options and ensure that when we look at any site, all the appropriate options are appraised. We risk assess everything, budget assess everything, and time schedule everything, and then there's a recommendation about which is the appropriate option to progress. Once we get past the appraisal stage, we look at project design. So project design is following the RIBA plan of work, and we also will carry out planning applications, building control applications, all under the current legislation, so conforming with principal designer legislation that's just come in, and also with all of the health and safety requirements for CDM regulations, for RIDOR regulations, and the Health and Safety at Work Act. So whatever we do is in conformance with legislation. We also appraise rentals as part of the appraisal process, and our colleague Anna Lipcheva is our rentals expert, so we'll take into account the optimum way of getting rent in from whatever property is developed as a result of our appraisal. So U is the actual upgrade of the property from the design stage into the ideal end product for rental. So we've covered A for acquire, L for leverage, P for project design, U for upgrade, and then S is the safe, secure investment plan that we can return investments with good returns to our investors in different projects, and everyone is happy. It's a win-win situation for property owners as well as for property investors. So if you're at all interested in discussing the Alpus unique branded system for carrying out projects, then talk to us. We do everything ethically. We try to achieve win-win solutions, and usually we can solve any property problem. So don't hesitate to contact me, that's Alan, on 07539 141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257. The landline 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, it's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers.